boys and girls. Excited to do our daily calendar review. All right, so we are going to find out our next pattern piece. So here I am on the 12. What pattern piece could it be? What did you say? Let me see if you're right. All right, a flower. Yeah, so our flower is our pattern piece today. So we have A, B, B. Let's say that pattern together. A, B, B. A, B, B. A. Good job. You got the last two on your own. Excellent. So we are practicing that calendar, that pattern review. All right. So today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Excellent. And today's Tuesday. What was yesterday? Monday. And what's tomorrow going to be? Wednesday. Oh, that's so excellent. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. All righty. So boys and girls, one more question. What is clicking things. What is the day before and the day after? So the day before is the 11th. Excellent. And the day after is the 13th. Good job. All right. We are on Tuesday and we are going to click here. Is this picture showing fair shares? So on your paper, give yourself a check or an X if it's showing fair shares. All right, this boy has how many? 4. And this girl has how many? 4. So we know that 4 and 4 is the same, so they do have fair shares. Excellent. So you should have given yourself a check. Yes, fair shares. All right, go ahead and get this sentence down using my map. All right. So, how many do you see here? 1. And how many do you see here? 2. 1 and 2 is 3. Excellent. Excellent. All right. Next question. What is 1 more than 27? So write that number down. What is 1 more than 27? What'd you write? It's going to begin with 20. 28. Excellent. 28. I hope you guys are up for the challenge. You've been doing excellent so far. All right, last one. Let's count those worms and write the number down. All right, let's get ready and count them together. 1. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do it this way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 worms. If I wanted to write the number 12, what number would come first? A 1, and what number comes next? A 2. There's the number 12. All right, boys and girls, I love you. I hope you have a great day. See you very soon.